In this video, I will be showing you how to cut out shapes in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start by going to the Elements tab and selecting a square from the Shapes section. I'm going to resize this into a vertical rectangle and center it on the page. Now let's change the color to black and add a white border. I'll adjust the stroke weight to 15 to give it a nice thick frame. I'll also change the background color to a light purple so the shapes really pop. Next, I'll duplicate this rectangle and rotate it. I want to create a fan effect with 3 overlapping frames. Once they are positioned, I'll group them together and make the whole group a bit larger. To create the cutout, I'll head over to the Apps tab and search for Shape Cutout. I'll open the app and click Export Design to prepare the file. I'll make sure to select PNG and check the transparent background box before hitting Export. Now, I'll use the tool to highlight the black areas I want to cut out. I'll click on each of the 3 rectangles and then select Cutout and Add to Design. With our new frame in place, I'll go to the Photos tab and pick an image to use. I'll scale it up so it covers the entire canvas. Finally, I'll go to Position, open the Layers tab, and drag the photo behind our cutout layer. And just like that, the photo is perfectly framed within our custom shapes.